Kalimot ko na. Ayun mga kadyas, yung hena nila sa wakas.
Means mahal or expensive.
Yeah, mahal, expensive.
Love or expensive.
The other side is
This one I have a
paru-paro.
butterfly.
Yan mga kadyas, dito kami sa ALONA Beach sa Panglao. Mga tropa natin. Ang ganda ngayon mga kadyas, mainit, walang ulan.
Wow! Wala naman ganito.
Dahil umulan na kaninang umaga. Ayun mga kadyas, yung hena nila sa wakas.
Means mahal or expensive.
Yeah, mahal, expensive.
Love or expensive.
The other side
This
is
one I have a
paru-paro.
butterfly.
Butterfly.
Hindi niya ana. Ako ga ana. Kuman na siya may ito sa mga anak. Kasi bitas, makalimot mo.
wanna say something? Yeah. See.
Okay.
What?
Okay guys, so we're here in Bohol. My two sisters got henna. It's like a thingy that you draw. It's like okay, for example, you have a pen, right? You have a pen. It's like drawing on yourself with a pen. That's what henna is. And I went into the water because the water is salty, very salty. Oh no! It doesn't taste good. So like, no, so don't drink the water because it's salty. Because if you drink it, then you're going. Your throat's gonna feel dry. What? Yeah. Don't drink the salt water or else. Yeah.
You might be get what?
You might get itchy.
Itchy? In your tummy?
So don't forget, drink the salt water and have fun.
Oh yeah? Yeah, of course. You are on vacation, so all you have to do is to have fun, right? Huh? Okay? So we end up here, guys. Panglasang Pinoy at paboritong Pinoy. Ayun!